Hello tech enthusiasts, Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to permanently delete photos and videos on your Samsung phone so they're completely removed from your device. Open the Gallery app. This is where all your captured photos, screenshots, screen recordings, and downloaded videos are stored. Browse through your albums or recent items to find the photos or videos you want to remove. To delete items, tap and hold on a photo or video until selection mode activates. You can then tap additional items to select multiple files at once. After selecting, tap the delete icon, usually shown as a trash bin, at the bottom of the screen. Confirm by tapping Move to Trash. At this stage, the files are not permanently deleted. They are temporarily stored in the trash folder. Now to permanently remove them, return to the main gallery screen. Tap the menu icon, 3 lines or 3 dots depending on your model, and select Trash. Here, you'll see all recently deleted photos and videos. Samsung devices typically keep deleted items in trash for up to 30 days before automatic removal. To permanently delete them immediately, tap Select, choose the items, or tap All, and then tap Delete. Confirm again to permanently erase the files from your phone's storage. Once completed, the photos and videos cannot be recovered, so make sure you no longer need them. Your unwanted media files are now permanently deleted. Stay tuned to Quantum Tech Lab for more simple and helpful Samsung tutorials to make your tech experience smoother and smarter.